Whether you're updating your air cleaner kit or converting over to functioning Cowl Induction, we've got a comprehensive kit to include all the components for that portion of your restoration. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970 to 72 Chevelle and El Camino SS and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo air cleaner kits for Cowl Induction. Our kits come with everything you need to install your Cowl Induction style air cleaner. The air cleaner kits can be purchased with a black or chrome lid depending on your needs. In addition, if you're installing on your Monte Carlo, you'll need to purchase the proper hood, which is part number M240304. Each kit includes the Cowl Induction air cleaner with top lid and element, air cleaner to hood steel flange, and the air cleaner to hood flange seal. The air cleaner lid and flange are manufactured from stamped and roll form steel to accurate dimensions to match the original. Steel components are finished in a black paint to match the original, with the exception of the chrome plated option on the lid. You'll be happy that you chose OPGI to be your premium supplier of restoration parts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.